Hey, what's up, guys? So, let me break this down really quick. This right here is resistance, and this right here is support. I usually trade on New York section, 9:30 Eastern time. Here in Puerto Rico, it's at 10:30. So basically, what I do is I wait for a breakout. So if it hits my resistance, all I do is hit a buy, and if it goes down here for support and it tries past this right here, this little square we have here, I'm gonna hit a nice little sell. So if it does go down, let's say example, we have a nice little sell. It's gonna look something like this. So once it hit, um, basically you got to risk about 2 to 3% of the count that you have. And usually I always look for the middle. That will be my first target, and my second target will be near here. That's about it, man. It's the same thing as for a buy. So let's say it does hit resistance, we're gonna hit that beautiful buy right here. And same here, you can see that'll be my first target here. Nice little one-on-one right there. Well, basically it's 1 to 2 for some. And my second profit will be the last one. That's about it, man. Same as the bottom. Every day from Monday through Thursday, it's like that. Fridays I don't trade. Friday just no value. Period. I hope this video could understand something. For some of y'all that starting, for some of y'all that are following me, and I never break certain things down. So this is what it is. Obviously, we starting the balance again, brand new one. You can see. We're gonna try to get that up again to like 20,000 or so. With time. Obviously, everything takes time, and that's about it. All right, y'all. Have a good night.